French horn players, it's Mr. Brailsford here. I hope you're all okay. What I'm going to do with you today is I'm going to introduce you to another high note. This time we're going to play a high C. So over our few lessons we've added our high A, fingers 1 and 2, our high B flat, first finger, our high B natural, middle finger, and today the high C. Now remember, if you look in your practice diaries, you'll be able to see what the high C looks like on music. It comes on the 3rd space up. Now the tune that I'm going to teach you is called See the Conquering Hero, very famous tune, and it uses some varieties of note lengths as well. So before we look at the music, let's make sure we're warmed up. Let's do some buzzing. Let's do some deep breathing. And let's do some buzzing with our mouthpieces. And let's play a few long notes on our horns. Let's go C, D, E, F and G. My D didn't speak very well, did it? Now then, if we then go from your G to your A, to your B flat, to your B natural, and then to the new high C, then you'll have got that note. So here's the G, and the A, the B flat, the B natural, and then the high C. So no vowels for the high C. Nice tight lips, and let the air speed come through. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the music up for you, and then when you come back we'll have a little look at it and see how you can practice it. Okay, so you've had a little look at the music. If you look on the second line, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7th note, that's what the high C looks like. So no vowels and quite tight lips. So I'm going to play you the first line and then the second line, and that'll give you a few pointers. Here's the G. Okay, so that's the first line. Here's the second line, going from the E. Okay, so you've got your 2 lines there to try. Now then, in terms of practicing it, maybe the best way to do it is to look at the first 2 bars, just the rhythm only. So the rhythm is minim, dotted crotchet, quaver, minim, minim. Maybe do that on the note G. So you know what you're doing. And then when you put the notes in, now the next 2 bars, they are 4 quavers, fast notes, 2 crotchets and a dotted minim. And again on G's the rhythm would be when we put the notes in from the D. Okay, so if you build your way through the piece like that, you'll not only get the rhythms, but you'll also be able to try the new high C. Quite a challenging piece. I'm only giving you the first 2 lines to have a little go at, but I'm sure again it'll give you something to work towards. Lovely to see you all again. Good luck with your high C.